Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back into another day of Vlogmas, aka Durismas, our 31-day holiday marathon. Today's video is the Mcobeauty 12 must-have beauty surprises advent calendar. I did actually get this on a really good sale. I'll put the price and stuff right here for y'all. I'm gonna say right now it feels really cheap. I'm also going to note by saying this is my very first purchase from Mcobeauty. I will also show you the other items that I purchased, but I wanted to see, was this worth my money, worth your money? We're going to dive right in. I am going to take the little sleeve off. It does have the items on the back, so I'm definitely going to try not to look. And I'm looking for a few things with an advent calendar. Do I like the actual packaging? I do. I'm also going to be looking for ease of use so that people like myself, other people that have dexterity issues, can we get into this easily? And then do I feel like I got my money's worth? So we are going to dive in with number 1. And if you're unfamiliar with Mcobeauty, they are basically a dupe brand. They dupe other brands, high-end brands and stuff like that. So I've never tried anything. Not too bad. I've definitely had worse trying to get the packaging out. Let's see if I can get the product out. The product was fine. This is the Golden Glow Lip Oil. And the reason I am sans makeup today is because the next video that you see will be me demoing everything that I'm just going to be keeping in the calendar. Number 2. That one was way easier. And the item is easy to pull out-ish. Alright, next up is a sponge. I will pass that along. I have plenty and it's not something I use all the time. So far, okay. So far, feeling alright. Number 3 is next, of course. Oh, and this is supposed to be a dupe for the Gisou. And I'll try to let you guys know what they're supposed to be duping as we go. Alright, yeah, it's much easier than some I've used. This is definitely duping Charlotte Tilbury. It is a mini liner in Cheeky Chat. Pillow Talk Cheeky Chat. Get that coin, Mco. Okay, honey. Number 4. I don't know who this is duping. I don't think anybody. It's just a standard black eye pencil. Also a mini. Alright. Number 5. That opened easily. And I got the product out easily. It just says Mega Balm. Not quite sure if this is a dupe or not. Okay, number 6. That's hilarious. And I'm going to compare this really freaking quickly. I just received this exact thing in another advent calendar, and I've worn it every day since I got it. This is supposed to be a direct dupe to the slip one. How funny that I have this right beside me. First of all, this one is tiny. You can see it's small here and there's no elasticity there, and then all of the bunching is up here and it's fatter there. And I'm gonna get super close. You can see all kinds of loose threads, strings. Like, this is going to fall apart in 4.2 seconds. You can see the slip one and it's got way more diamantes and stuff like that. This one stretches out much more. The elastic is much more even throughout the entire thing, and there are 0 loose threads. So that's gonna kind of go to something else that I'm gonna ask you guys. Do you feel like it's okay or better to go for a dupe or not? Or does it depend on what the product is? And I don't know how much these are, like full price or anything like that, but this is a cheap piece of shit. Okay, moving on. That's so funny that that was right beside me. All right, number 7. This I think is supposed to be, who has that packaging? Oh, I can't think off the top of my head, you guys. This is the Mcobeauty Hot Lip Plump. Alrighty, number 8. Y'all, my mind is already blown. Sincerely. That is the teeny tiniest little puff I ever did see in my entire life. It does feel super soft, but again, it's got loose threads and stuff on it. I don't know if you're gonna, yeah, I think you can. It's got loose threads and stuff on it. Okay, well, I'm already kind of forming an opinion without even trying the products, and I should not be doing that just yet. Number 9. This is definitely duping the little like Laneige type lip balms and stuff like that. This is the Mcobeauty Glow Lip Balm in Watermelon. Number 10. This is definitely duping Rare Beauty. This is the Dream Lip Tint Hydrating Gel. Number 11. If I can get it out. This is the Mcobeauty Hair and Brow Magic Wand. Okay. And then number 12, which I anticipate and I look forward to in a calendar being the best day. That is a direct dupe for the bronzing drops from, I think, Drunk Elephant. So this is the Super Glow bronzing drops. I got this on sale, and I need to double check the price. I think 18-ish, and I think the regular price is 30. Possibly, I could definitely be wrong. I will pop these on the screen for y'all. I don't want to be ugly, but it's a bunch of little teeny tiny minis, and that'll be fine, like if they're actually good quality. But I feel like maybe for $18, it's okay if the products are okay. I think for $30, I might have been a little bit upset, especially like literally having the direct comparison right in front of me of this piece of actual trash. Okay, well, that makes me nervous about the products that I actually, you know, got separately. Again, though, I got like 40% off. And if you've tried Mcobeauty and you found some holy grails, or you feel like they are genuinely direct dupes, they feel the same, last the same, work the same, so on and so forth, please let me know. Okay, so I purchased the Jelly Gloss Hydrating Lip Gel. It's supposed to hydrate and nourish, loving lip oils, sheer high glass finish, and I got Fruit Punch, and it's like hot pink to like a corally shade. I also got the Mcobeauty Micro Brow Ultra Fine Crayon, and it's in medium deep. And then with the purchase that I made, I got the all-in-one color corrector serum. And if you guys are unfamiliar, I have purchased the Stila One Step Correct many times. I recently panned one, and then I also got a mini just so that I still have it. So I'm going to be quite picky in kind of the comparison of that one. So yeah. It's hard for me to say whether or not I feel like, I think for $30 or however much the full price is, absolutely not. If you're getting it for 40 or 50% off and they work okay, maybe. And I don't mind what we got in here, like an eyeliner, a lip liner, some lip nourishment, you know, the tinted thing, the tinted product, the lip oil, the bronzing drops. Like, it's not a bad selection of products. They're just way smaller than I guess I kind of anticipated and stuff like that. And just right now, solely based on that, I'm nervous as hell to put any of this on my face. That is it. Drop your thoughts down below. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for joining. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.